Hello and welcome to Feel at Home. My name is Jennifer Ogu. I am a Nigerian residing in Hong Kong for a few years now. Actually, this is my first time on YouTube, and I hope I am welcome here. So, in this channel, I will be sharing with you all about life, such as success, difficulties in life, education, Nigerian culture, cooking, dancing, and above all, advice. So, I think coming to YouTube is a good thing, and I hope I am safe here. What do you think about it? Please let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Okay? Please, all I need from you guys is full support. So I think I have to end it here. What do you think? Should I go on? Should I go on? Finally, I promise to be bringing you things that will interest you, things that will help you, things that will help you achieve your dreams. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.